Sweet potato, we peel it. Then we have to cook it with the sugar, brown sugar, and coconut meat and the coconut milk. This will be a very nice dessert tonight for our family. So we peel it, yeah, and we put in the water, yeah, and clean. There are two different colors. This one is white, the local species, and this is the what? Red?
Orange.
This orange color is the Japanese species. It's imported from Japan, and it's sweeter, but the taste is the same. They're yummy. So we spill until all, then we can cut it into diamond shape, and then we cook it. Sweet potato, they have two colors, white and two colors, orange and white. Okay, and then okay, we chop it into diamond. Very sweet. We have cut it already, so it will be fried, and with the brown sugar, with the coconut milk, it will taste very sweet and very nice. Okay, let's see the next cook step. Thank you. Yeah. This is the sugar, brown sugar, coconut meat. Okay. Okay. Được rồi. Bây giờ sugar, brown sugar. Wait. It's come bubbles. Not yet. Keep stirring it until it getting dark red. Smell very good. Now we put the potato in. In. See, now the sugar is sticking to the potato, and now let's boil the potato. See, it's boiling, so we have to cover it to get the heat more and more so that the potato will sooner be softened. It's 3 minutes now. 3 minutes now. Let's see how it is boiling now. Wow. Wow, look very delicious. It's boiling. Now we move it to get the top go down so that it softens all. So let's keep another 3 minutes. Now the second time, after 3 minutes, we were waiting. Let's see. Wow. Boiling more and more. Yeah. Let's try this whether it's softened. Not yet. Maybe another 3 minutes. So it's about 15 minutes. But the smaller is softened already. So just get the bigger go down, get the smaller up. Yeah. So third time for another 3 minutes. Okay. Very nice. Good smell. Yeah, the sugary come up with the taste of the sugar and also the smell of the potato. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now 3 minutes. See? Now we put the coconut this time. Very nice, like snow. Yeah. So stir it and get the coconut down. It's milky. Yeah. Oh, good smell from the coconut meat. Yeah. Okay, it looks delicious. You see the sugar with the coconut and the potato, the sweet. Yeah. So I give another 1 minute to boil it before we can taste the first taste, the yummy taste. Yeah. So I give it another 1 minute. So altogether 15 minutes for cooking this potato with the coconut meat. Oh, really good smell. Chop chop. Okay, so hot. Okay, ready? Okay, this is the white one I try. Yeah, very yummy. Yeah. Very hot, but tastes very nice. Okay, the yellow one. Oh, getting hot, my hand. Okay, the yellow one was so big, maybe so hot. Maybe I have to cut in half. Okay. Oh, it's coming the smoke. Okay. Okay. The yellow one is nicer because it's more sweeter than the white one. Okay, sugar. And I put the sugar with the coconut meat and go with this. Yeah, you see? Okay. just hot, but tastes very, very good. The potato very sweet with the coconut very nice, and a little bit sugar there. This good for, you know the benefit of potatoes is the fiber, enriched of fiber. So you eat a lot and then it help for digesting, for your digest system. So it help for your body, and the coconut also help for your body, the digest system as well. Very nice. Okay.